Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. This is a new video on how you can use Twitter basics. So I'm gonna show you in detail how you can use Twitter. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And let me tell you one thing first. If you don't know how to sign up on Twitter, please click on the link down description box and come back to the video again. So without further ado, let's move into the video. So I'm gonna open my Twitter app here, and let me tell you that I have already been logged into my account. So Twitter is a place where you can basically see tweets of basically everyone, like politicians, celebrities, artists, big companies and other brands, and totally anyone. So this is the homepage of Twitter. If you would like to follow someone from these suggestions, you just tap in the follow box right here and tap in once again to unfollow. So this is the home page or the timeline, a place where you see tweets of the people you follow. So these are the tweets of the people or the pages that I follow. So basically you have got four options. You can either reply to the tweet, or you can either retweet the tweet, or you can like or make it as your favorite, or you can even share the tweet. So basically if you'd like to comment on the tweet, you just have to tap in this post where you can reply to the tweet. Tap in anything you like very excited, and just tap in on reply. But you can add in photos, you can add in GIF, or add in your location too. You can type in your location yourself, or just click on anywhere which is favorable and type in whatever thing you like to reply, and maybe add in a picture, and just tap in reply, and you just reply to the tweet. Now what I'm going to show you is like this option you see right here, the two arrow signs moving on in circles. That is the sign of retweet. So basically if you like to put on a comment, tap in on retweet with comment. But what I'm going to do here is just tap in on retweet, and it is retweeted. As you can see here, the green sign shows that. And if you like the post, you just hit on the like button, just like on Instagram. If you like to share the post, you just tap in on share, and you can share this thing via direct message on Twitter, or you can share it on your Messenger news feed, which is basically your Facebook news feed. So what other options you have on Twitter is this magnifying glass, this search icon, where you can go tap in the username, whoever you like to follow. You just type in the name, and this is a place where you just not follow people, but you can just follow anyone, or you can follow any topic you like, let's say TikTok. So these are the few pages that you can see here, but you can use this hashtag TikTok post so that you can see other posts relating to it. And whatever the basic trending topic is, you can just click on this magnifying glass and type in whatever the thing is trending recently, and just go and see the post, retweet it, or reply it on that tweet, or do anything you like. So here are basic few suggestions for me. So if you want to follow someone, you just tap in the magnifying glass here, type in their name, and hit the search icon so that you can go check their profile and follow them, retweet their tweet and other stuff. So the bell icon that you see on the bottom line is the same as the Instagram, where you interact with people, interactions like a retweet on your tweet or reply on your tweet. You get notification if someone follows you. So someone just followed me, I got notification for it. And so right next to the bell icon, you see a message box. That is a place where you can send a message to anyone you like, anyone you follow. So if you want to send message to someone, just hit on the blue icon that you see where it's plus sign there, and type in the name, whoever you want to send message to, and send the message. It is very easy. So the blue icon that you see on the bottom right corner is the place where you create your own tweet. So I'll just tap in there. So type in whatever thing you like to express or tweet, and you can even add photo from your gallery, or you can even add a GIF. And my location has already been set, or if you want to remove the GIF, you just tap in the cross button, And sometimes if you like to know your followers or your audience better or their opinions, you just tap in this icon where you can create a poll. Also, you can manage who you want to give the access for replying. So you just tap in there and you can either choose everyone or just the people you follow or only the person you mention. So I'll just tap in people you follow. So the people who follow me can only reply to this. So after you finish doing whatever thing you want to tweet or whatever thing you want to upload, you just hit on the tweet button right here. So I'll just tap in tweet, tap in any or somewhere on the screen, go to the home, and there you can see my tweet on top. So if you want to pin your tweet on your profile, you can do that by pressing on this icon right here, which shows the down arrow, and you can pin this to your profile, or you can even delete this tweet anytime you like. And if you click on these three horizontal lines on the top left corner, you can go to your profile. You just have to tap on your profile photo where you really don't have any photo uploaded yet. So you just tap there, tap in on upload photo, so it takes you to your phone gallery. I'm not gonna do that right now, so I'll just skip it for now, but that is how you basically upload your profile picture. So basically these are the tweets that I tweeted, and this thing that I retweeted, and the other post that I retweeted. So that is how it basically works. So if you had any problem understanding the video, feel free to comment down on the box. And if you liked the video and you enjoyed it, please like the video and make sure you subscribe to the channel.